Um, as we know, half-life is the time taken for the activity of a radioactive isotope to halve. Okay. So let's say this question here, the activity is 10,000 BQ. So what would it be after two half-lives? So literally, one half-life means the activity will half. So become 5,000. And another half-life means it will half again. So the final answer is just 2,500. Question two. The initial activity is 800. So what would it be after five half-lives? Do you want to try and work that out? Yeah. This one is literally about halving it 5 times. So 800, 400, 200, 100, 50, 1, 2, 3, 4. So after five halves, the activity becomes 25 BQ. Okay. Okay. This is where it gets a little bit more interesting. So question three, the activity is 200 becquerel. Oh no, that's one more easy one. So we'll just half it 4 times. It's pretty simple. So 200 will become 100, will become 50, will become 25, will become 12.5. 1, 2, 3, 4. So the answer is 12.5 kBq. Okay. Question four. The half-life of this thing is 10 days. That basically means it halves, the activity of it halves every 10 days. So the activity is 4,800. Okay. So we've got the number of half-lives. We've got the time. And we're going to measure the activity at each one. You don't have to do a table, but it will make the most sense. So at the start, and then we'll measure it at 10 days, and then we'll measure it at 20 days, and then at 30 days, and then at 40 days. Yeah. Oh, whoops, that was meant to be in the time section. So it's fine. We'll just put that as time. Yeah. The activity at the start is 4,800. So what would it be after 10 days?
2,400.
Good. What about after two half-lives?
1,200.
Yeah, good. And then 600 and then 300 because it's literally halving every 10 minutes. So the answer is 300 BQ. Try 5 and 6. So for question five, let's just figure out the time and the activity at different stages. The only thing I'll put for time is make sure to put 0 first, or the start. And then one half-life, two half-lives, three half-lives. So it starts off with 72. The activity is 72. So after 36 hours, it will half and it will become 36. Then it will half again and become 18. And it will half again and become 9. That's what we got right. Good. Question six. I've got number of half-lives at different times and the activity at these different times. So it started off at 1,728. Yeah. So maybe I might not do a table because it's gonna, but let's try it anyway. What would go under the 1,728? So that's 0 half-lives, the start. What would happen after one half-life?
At half.
So have you got your calculator? So that'll be 864. And we'll half again. It's fine. It should be okay. Hopefully the numbers are fine. Half again. So it'll be 432. Yeah. And we half it again, 216. We half it again, 108. We half it again.
54.
When do you think we're going to stop?
Uh,
We're going to stop now because it's got to 27.
yeah.
So how many
Cool.
half-lives is that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times it had to halve, right? And that took how long?
24 hours.
So how long is each half-life going to be then?
4.
Yeah, 24 divided by 6, which equals to 4. And we can just check. It'll be 4, 8, 12, 16, 20. So each half-life is 4 hours. Does that make sense now?
Yeah.
Cool. Questions 7 and 8 are similar. I'll leave this on the screen. So try 7 and 8. So question 7, we're going to do the same thing. So we've got an initial activity of 272. And we're just going to keep halving it until we get to 17. Because it says it started at 272 and it later became 17. So 136, 68, 34, and 17. So it halved 1, 2, 3, 4 times. And that took 3 hours. So 3 divided by 4 is 0.75 hours. So each half-life is 0.75 hours or 45 minutes. Is that what you got?
Yeah.
Nice. Last one, question 8. Well done. Good. Then again, so we can use the table or we can just, and we get the pattern now. So we're going to keep halving it. So 344 is going to half to make 150 plus 22, 172. Half it again, we get 86. Half it again, 43. So it halved once, twice, 3 times in a space of 2 days. So each half-life is 2/3 of a day. Okay, and 2/3 of a day is 16 hours.